How to use Gmail effectively. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using, whether you're on a phone like an iPhone or Android, or desktop as well. So what you want to do is, once you're on here, that I have my primary tab empty, but this is going to show all my main emails, right? And then it's going to show you what you can basically do. So on the left, you're going to see your inbox, anything you might have started, maybe things that are important, maybe left for another time, sent emails, any drafts. So if you want to pick up on an email, anything you purchased as well. Gmail is actually smart enough to know when you purchase something. For example, if I got something on Amazon. Now, of course, if you want to write an email, go ahead and press compose, and then you're going to see this new message icon. So obviously, just go ahead and type in, the email that you want to send to, and it's going to come up right here. Then, of course, you can add a subject or add a little, the main header or anything like that, whatever you want. Of course, you can go ahead and attach files, insert links, emojis, and start using Google Drive as well. And say photo, toggle confidential mode if you want to. If you want to have a password or anything, you can insert a signature as well. And there's even more options as well. If you want to go ahead and do that, once you're happy with it, go ahead and press send. And you can even schedule a send, which a lot of people don't actually know about. But there is a few different ways that you can use Gmail effectively depending on your needs.